I have the absolute best non-dairy ice cream for you to make, especially if you're a peanut butter lover. This has been a family favorite in our house for many years, but I stopped making it because it had rich whip, corn syrup, all those unhealthy ingredients. I took it, healthified it, and you cannot tell the difference. You'll be shocked to see what's in here, and you're gonna love it. Let's get started. I'm starting with 3 egg yolks in this bowl. I'm adding some maple syrup, chunky peanut butter. Don't worry if you don't have chunky, you can use the creamy. We're gonna be adding some peanuts afterwards, and vanilla extract. Okay, now we're just gonna give this a nice mix. Remember, you have the chunks of peanut butter inside, so it's not gonna be completely smooth. I am using full-fat coconut milk. I stuck it in the fridge, and now the cream separated from the liquid. We're just gonna scoop out the cream, whip it up, and this is actually a great substitute to dairy whipped cream. Now we're gonna whip up our egg whites. We had 3 egg yolks, but 6 egg whites. Okay, that literally took like 3 to 5 minutes to get to these nice soft peaks. You don't really want to overmix it. You don't need those stiff peaks that you need for meringues. You just want a nice soft fluff. And we're gonna go ahead and add a cup of confectionery sugar. I'm just gonna go in with my spatula and get the rest of the sugar. But look at this gorgeous shine that the sugar gave the eggs. Okay, now we're gonna put it all together. We take our peanut butter mixture and put it into the coconut cream. I love the contrast of salt and sweet, so we're gonna add some salted crushed peanuts. Let's just mix that together. Okay, we're just gonna make sure it's all incorporated. And now we're gonna add this mixture to the egg whites. With the egg whites, you wanna be careful, you don't want it to fall. That's why I did most of the mixing in here. And now we're just gonna fold it in gently. I try to stay in the same direction. Once it's all incorporated, we're ready to freeze. There are so many options that you can do with this peanut butter ice cream. I am gonna show you a few of them. Super, super simple. Buy a ready-made pie crust. You can get a chocolate, you can get a plain one, you can make your own, and pour some in. Okay, now you see this recipe is gonna give you more than just 1 pie crust. So you can either make 2, or if you wanna have some plain ice cream, okay, we're gonna just get this in here. This is so creamy and fluffy, but it has these little pieces of salty peanuts. Yum. Okay, we're just gonna get this in the freezer, but I wanna just show you how I'm gonna top this. We're just gonna pop this in the freezer. You can make double fudge chocolate cookies and make peanut butter ice cream sandwiches. You can make a brownie, cut up squares, put a scoop of peanut butter ice cream on it. The possibilities are endless. The ice cream is in the freezer. It's gonna take about 10 to 12 hours to set. Super simple, super easy, 2-ingredient hot fudge recipe coming your way right now. This is vegan, this is non-dairy. So, coconut milk again. We're just gonna take out the cream, put it into a little saucepan. We are gonna let this cook up until we just get a nice little simmer going. It smells so good right now. I could be like sitting on some tropical island. No, seriously, on a beach, sipping a pina colada. Okay, once the milk is just getting hot, you see it steaming a little bit, we're just gonna pour it over a bag of good quality chocolate chips. And now you're just gonna mix this together, and you're gonna close your eyes and smell the most amazing smell you have ever smelled. I'm serious. This is like seriously my happy place. You want to get all the chocolate chips fully melted, and it's going to form this beautiful, silky, smooth fudge. And that's it. Hot fudge sauce. Now, once it sits a little, it's going to thicken up a bit. Look at that. But it pretty much keeps this texture, so you can prepare this Friday afternoon, serve it Friday night. It's gonna look like this. If you find that it thickens up too much, pop it in the microwave for just a few seconds. But this is so good. Yum. I could not eat this whole thing. I'm not lying. This is like hypnotic. But we have some frozen peanut butter ice cream waiting to be dressed with this, so let's get to it. Okay, ice cream is frozen. Let's put this all together. We're gonna make an insane peanut butter ice cream sundae. So here's the ice cream. I want you to see the texture on this, okay? It scoops out exactly like ice cream. It is ice cream. And now for some toppings. We have our hot fudge sauce. Some honey peanuts. Some chocolate chunks. This is so crazy. This is like over the top. Viennese crunch. Voila. If you are not going to the grocery store right now to buy coconut cream, there's something wrong with you, because you want to eat this right now. Remember, like, subscribe, share. You have to share this video. Every one of your friends wants to see this video. It is so good. And we'll see you next time.